Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Bradley Nelson, the co-creator of the Emotion Code. And I say co-creator because God is his partner. And so the reason why we did the class today is twofold. One, to tell you about what trapped emotions can do to the body, how it manifests. It's not all in your head. It really isn't. When people say, that this is like an emotion that's trapped and that, it's emotional, most people think, oh, it's in my head and you're a hypochondriac or it's psychosomatic. No, these emotions get trapped in your body and they manifest into dis-ease. So if there's any pain, depression, anxiety, problems having like sabotaging yourself, keeping a job or living the life of your dreams, if this sounds like you, possibly there is a trapped emotion. Well, most likely there is a trapped emotion in your body that needs to be released. But how do you release it? How do you release it in a way that it is gone? It doesn't have the power that it needs to have. So we just finished talking, Dr. Brad and I, and after we were done saying goodbye to all of you, we talked about the possibility of streaming this. We know that there's still people out there that would like to be a part of the January 29th workshop in Cocoa Beach, Florida. And so if that is what's keeping you traveling or being around people or whatever, if that's holding you back, we're thinking about opening this up to a live stream where if you pay for the event and it'll be the same amount, but you don't have to pay for the room and board or whatever, the food, you're home for this one event. So if you're interested, we're just throwing it out there. If you're interested in doing that, would you be interested in joining the January 29th, 2022 Emotion Code event workshop? So email me at Lily@whenyouneedafriend.com if you're interested, or you can text me 407-373-5959. Just say, I want to attend, but if it's virtual, I will make a commitment to do so. If you do that, we'll figure out how to make this happen so you can ask your questions from afar, and we'll create whatever it is that we want to do. Maybe we'll open it up for the second day on Sunday for people that want to do this virtually as opposed to doing it on the Saturday. We'll figure it out. We just want to know how many of you are interested. Now, there's another thing that's happening right now. On January 4th, 2022, we're going to do another pre-record with Dr. Brad. This time, we're going to talk about the losses that we have experienced that are trapped in our body, the emotions of the emotions of losses that are trapped in our body. And how do we release it so that we can go from loss to love? From loss to love. Imagine that. How do you reconcile this so that it's not trapped in your body, sending the wrong signals and clouding your life so that you don't see clearly? So if you're interested in having a special conversation on January 4th in this pre-record, we're going to select one or two people. It all depends. And this is all you have to do to put your name in the winner's basket. You have to tag this comment here or the actual class that's going to be released on today's date, right? And you need to tag it 3 people and share the event. There's a flyer and it's going to be in Facebook. So find it and share it on your website, share it with your friends, but the actual broadcast, share that broadcast, share, and then tag. And when you tag 3 people, that gets you 1 entry to having a live conversation with Dr. Nelson on January 4th in the classroom that'll be aired later on for you to, it'll be out there for others to learn and grow with you. So if you're interested in that, for every 3 people, that'll give you 1 entry. you also have to share. So sometimes when you share, it's private, so we don't know that you're sharing. So just let us know that you shared. You could text me at 407-373-5959 that you shared it. And that's part of the entry. Now, if you want to be a part of the live January 29th in Cocoa Beach, Florida, an all-day workshop, or if you want to be a part of the VIP, which is you get to have interactions, it's a meet and greet with Dr. Nelson, then you need to do this now, because I believe that at the end of this month, I'm not sure when, but the prices are going to go up. So take advantage of early registration. I love a good bargain, and it is a good bargain. So please join us and make a commitment to be a part of this. And if you are interested in a live stream and coming to the group virtually, then you can do that. Just let us know that you're interested, whether you email me at lily@whenyounneedafriend.com or at 407-373-5959. Text me and say, interested in live emotion code event, the emotion code event. And so that way we'll start gathering and we'll start pricing it out, see how we can make it work. Remember, create what you want and your life will change. And please remember, go to whenyounneedafriend.com, subscribe, and because that's how you know who's in the classroom. Like and follow all my social media, because that's how we stay connected and you know who's in the classroom and when we're live and when we're streaming and all of that. And check out my sponsors and figure out a way that you can help the classroom grow. Check out the conversation for today, and you know what to do in the comment section. Just tag 3 people. That 3 tag will give you 1 entry into the winner's basket. You need to be available January 4th between 4 and 5 p.m. Eastern time, so that you can have a conversation in the classroom with Dr. Bradley Nelson, and you can get an idea of maybe what is causing your trapped emotions, or maybe you can release the losses that you have felt in your life, and you can convert them into love and empowerment. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you. So make sure you do what you need to do to create the life of your dream. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!